guys, and happy Sunday everybody. Sunday. Look, it's a little bit sunny. Well, cloudy, sunny, but I don't think it's gonna rain. It's been raining all week. It's been raining all last week. It's rainy. But today it might not. Right, today is not raining, so hopefully we can do something. Hopefully we can go out, and we will go out. We will go somewhere Tyler want to have fun. We will bring him somewhere and gonna have fun. And me, I need a little haircut. Hopefully I get a haircut today. Babe is, I think she's sleeping. She feels tired, so I feel like she wants to rest. She's not feeling herself. Yeah, so I'm here. Tyler is beside me. Bonjour, Tyler. You eating? Est-ce que tu manges? What are you eating? What is that?
Pasta.
Pasta and what? Okay, you need a haircut too? Your mama to cut your hair? No? Only papa hair? Okay, so it's only gonna be my hair. We get cut today. Yeah, hopefully we can do a lot of things today. Trying to. Today is the 11th of November. Is also we watched that all morning. We watched the celebration of the 100th year, the century, we call that in French. 100 years ago was the end of the World War I. So yeah, we watched the celebration on TV. So yeah, that was cool. And now just time to clean up a little bit of room. You know, when you get up you feel lazy and you don't really want to do things, but comes a point that you have to do all of these things. So yeah, I'm gonna get myself ready. I'm gonna make Tyler ready, and yeah, let's see if babe feel better and she can come with us.
I want to go in the playground.
You want to go to the playground? Which playground you want to go?
In the slide.
Okay.
The slide.
Have you been nice?
Jump.
Okay, you been nice to go to the slide, or you been naughty?
Be nice.
You been nice?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so you eat after you shower? You want a nap before, or you don't want a nap before?
I want to nap before.
Oh, you don't want to nap. If I listen to you, you never nap, right?
What?
But after you're tired?
No.
No? Alright, let's see.
Hi Fabs, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. I haven't seen you guys all day because I haven't been feeling myself, and I was just laying down in bed all day until I said, you know what, let me go out with the boys, and I got up and shower and I feel better after that. Feel better than I was. So I'm out with my babies. They don't want to leave me at home, so babe keep convincing me that, honey, maybe you should come with us. And then I felt guilty and I said, you know what, let me go. I said, honey, go on, just bond with Tyler without me. No, I'd rather have you. Bench and Batty, we can't leave each other. So Tyler is excited. You're excited? Where are we going? Fifth car here, you speak up. Yeah, you're gonna have fun? Yes. So we're taking him to the indoor playground just to let him release some energy, okay? So hopefully you guys are having a good day and you guys are staying blessed and loved and motivated, and hopefully you guys being enjoying the boys without moi. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and if it's not your first time, just look to make sure that your notification bell is on, and make sure that you're still subscribed, because YouTube is giving us a hard time around here with our subscriptions and with our subscribers and stuff. So just check you guys to make sure that you guys are still intact and you know are still catching up and keeping up with the fam bam. Anyway, love you guys, and we're heading to the parking now, so we'll catch you guys at some point during the day. Tyler is getting ready to go have fun and all this goodness. Wait, come here. Bebe, go on with him. Go with him. You went that way already? Go, fun. Tell me when he's coming. Non, c'est bon. I got you.
Try to follow him.
You try to follow him? Okay.
It's hard.
Oops.
I tried to follow Tyler, but Tyler running like a little rabbit. I can't follow him. He's still telling me he's going everywhere. He's already down here. He's here. Tyler, going up. Look at these little rabbits. Attention, Tyler. Tyler, attention. Tyler. Okay. Whew. I can't follow him. He's already gone far from me.
You
too far. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh no, it's back here. Allez, stop. Tu fais avec papa? Attends. Attends, t'as la deux. Allez, 1, 2, 3. Oui. Alright, here I can go up by myself. Allez. Tyler, stop! Tyler, you don't go there. Not this one for you, d'accord? You're too little. Allez, vas-y. On va voir maman? Papa, il faut qu'il se repose un peu. Tu aimes? Guys, I'm sweating, I'm dying. I can't follow him and he never stops. Allez, va là-bas. Doucement. Bien. Allez, remonte là-haut. Bravo. Hop, 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 hop. Aïe. Oh. Tyler, come. Tyler, you on the slide? Okay, let's go. Allez. The other one? Tyler, come. You can't. Et tu vas voir maman quand tu arrives, d'accord? right and Allez, come. Attends, attends.
No.
Hey guys, we home. That was great. Oh, we just stayed like an hour and a half. It feels like we stayed the entire afternoon. I feel my legs like, oh, I have so much energy.
Babe couldn't keep up.
Oh, you feel like
Couldn't keep up.
I can't go. And you see this little rabbit just. Je suis pas fatigué. Je suis pas fatigué.
He's saying he's not tired. He's not tired. And as we go in the car and start driving home,
Boom. Oh, but
not even 2 seconds.
That was
but
good.
We had so much fun.
Oh yeah, when you go, it's just just say that's something that we should do more often. I think it's like more than a year we didn't go there.
How much you pay for him to go in?
€8 now. Cause
And you don't pay for us?
No, we don't pay for us.
Okay.
We pay €8 because he's over 3. Yeah,
Normally 6.
Last year 5 somethings, but now it's €8. But that's not bad if you want to spend like the
He
only.
had fun. He had so much
Yeah,
fun.
have to go and slide and you have so much
he just
fun.
keep going. He just keep going, non-stop going.
Oh, that was cool. That was cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you have kids, I recommend you go. Whew, you're out of breath because sometimes I just have to let him go by himself.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
But yeah, that was a cool
Some
experience.
of them he can do them by himself.
That was a cool experience. So now we're just home, chilling, relaxing. I hope she feel better.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Yeah, sometimes it's me who not feel well. Sometimes it's her. That's part of life. Can't do nothing. Just have to let the time goes and take care of ourselves.
Days, yeah.
And yeah, that's why we're blessed to be 2 parents. And yeah, when one is down, the other one can take.
Yeah, so the next few vlogs, babe will be taking over.
And hopefully you
Take over
soon
vlog.
be back.
Back to my normal bubbly self.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's the Delaveaus with the S at the end.
Gotcha.
Alright guys, I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday. It's gonna be, I don't know what, harvesting time for us, and there's a game on TV. I might watch a little bit football.